This is a quick video to let you all know that I have published a digital book that you can check out online. The content of the book is using aloe vera to make natural dye. I've been working on the book since August of 2023, and recently my oldest child called me out and asked, "Mom, you're still working on that book?" So I finally published it.
It's like a crocodile's tail. Where does aloe come from?
The earth.
Oh. Where does planet come from? From the earth.
Just a little bit more. I cover a number of topics in this book, including conventional dyeing, solar dyeing with aloe vera, as well as cold dyeing, color fastness, washing textiles dye with aloe vera, and I even included a troubleshooting page in case the dye isn't coming out how you may want it to. So it's just a range of topics on how to use aloe vera to make natural dye. And I hope that someone finds it useful. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them directly on the page where the book is viewable and where you can download it. There's a section where you can comment. And the book is free, so you don't have to worry about paying anything. You can just access the link in the description or on my website, plantdyefortextiles.com. Thanks so much for watching.